The reference is, behold, Rohani Khazain, in reality Shaitani Khazain,
Yes.
volume 3, Rohani Khazain, volume 3, book Izara Awham, page 140 to 141, where Mirza mentions 3 शहरों का नाम एजाज के साथ कुरान शरीफ में दर्ज है, मक्का और मदीना और कादियान। ये कश्फ था जो कई साल हुए कि मुझे दिखलाया गया. This was a vision that was given to me. And for the Arabic words, inna anzalnahu qariban min al-Qadian, same reference, same page. It's there on the same page. Okay, now I have just given the reference. All Qadianis who are sincere, all Ahmadis out there, we have sympathy for you, we have compassion for you, we have nothing but good wishes for you. Please go and research. All these things I said today, if they are true, and Mirza did indeed claim this, then leave the cult today. Don't die and go to Jahannam over Mirza. Don't die in this state, because none of your salah, none of your zakah, none of your umrah and hajj is accepted, because you believe in a kafir as a prophet. He was a disbeliever. He was a kafir. Okay? अब बताओ ना क्या करें? अब बताओ क्या करें? What do we do now?
Because then the fitna drops back on you.
What do we do now?
You call someone kafir, it drops back on you.
Fine. But if Mirza is saying these things, what do we do now?
So Qadian is also today in today's world. It is also a holy land because that's where the Messiah is
Oh,
born.
come on!
I understand.
Holy land.
I understand. But Mirza said these words are in the Quran. Mirza said, in my vision I've been told that these words are in the Quran. Inna anzalnahu qariban min al-Qadian.
Qadian is a holy land. It is part of the holy land because the Messiah, the Imam Mahdi,
All
has
Sikh
been
live
born.
there. In the morning,
If you don't accept it,
nobody, they can't hear their
I
adhan.
think to conclude, I have nothing but sympathy for this young man. Hopefully he will wake up one day. He will realize that what he believes in is not true. It's a lie. And this is all we can do. All the page numbers. I have the reference.
I told him Qadian is also part of a holy land because this is where the Messiah is born. It could be anywhere. East of Damascus. You know?
Where is Qadian?
East of Damascus. East of Damascus.
Nigeria is a holy place as well because I'm born in it.
Yeah,
It's on the map. Check on the map. Check on the map. Open up Google. Open up Google now and check it. Go.
You show it.
See, you won't do it.
It's easy to prove. Why don't you do it?
The reference for the black prophet from India called Kahin Kanhaiya Krishan is Rohani Khazain, volume 23. The book is Chashma Marifat, page 382. Mirza said, एक मर्तबा आ हजरत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से दूसरे मुल्कों के अंबिया की निस्बत सवाल किया गया, तो आपने यही फरमाया कि हर एक मुल्क में खुदा ताला के नबी गुजरे हैं, और फरमाया खान फिल हिंद नबीन अस्वदुल लौन इस्मुहु काहिनन, यानी हिंद में एक नबी गुजरा है जो स्याह रंग था और नाम उसका काहिन था, यानी कन्हैया, जिसको कृष्ण कहते हैं. Okay. Now, no problem. That's fine. So you can believe that. I'm asking. He said the Prophet Muhammad said this. Where?
That's fine.
Where?
If he did, yes, he has.
Where?
He said it.
Where?
If he has said it, then he has said it.
Where?
He has said it. That's it.
So I have. Okay. So those Qadianis who have been listening to this, you saw a demonstration of this blindness, this blockage of mind and rationality. Please free yourselves. No, don't do that. No, this is Kishan. He pulled out a poster from an Indian movie. Okay, no, listen. I'm asking this question. If this is true, what I've said, I've given references, go and check and free yourselves from the cult. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Nice talking to you. Thank you.